Hello everyone, welcome to Dragon Charts. Today's play of the day is a review of a recent setup that we gave on May 19th for Satyam Computer Services, ticker symbol SCS, which trades on the Indian National Stock Exchange. In addition to giving new trade ideas to our subscribers every day, it's also important to follow up on previous trade ideas so that our subscribers may learn about what happens when a trade moves. Sometimes they go the right way, sometimes they don't, but in both cases it's important to know how to manage the trade. Just to review, the trade setup that we pointed out back on May 19th was actually looking similar to this. This is the chart from May 19th, or the closing price action of May 18th. This is what it looked like. We were looking at a potential breakout play of a band of consolidation here, and we were saying back in that video that if the stock moved above the horizontal line over the 78.50 level, that it was a potential buy entry after bouncing off support of the 50-day moving average down here. We teach our subscribers that sometimes the trades don't trigger the following day, but we set price alerts so that we can be notified and instantly get into the trade if it does trigger for buy entry. In this situation, just 4 days later, the stock made its move. If you look at the price action here, we're going to go to the right. The big green bar that you see here is actually today's price action for May 24th. This big bar represents a gain of 11%, more than 11% the stock moved today. Notice how when it broke out, it went firmly above this horizontal line, this resistance level, and closed several points higher than it actually. And the previous day's price action is interesting because notice how the previous day, May 23rd, red candlestick right here, was actually a down day. Often what happens when the stock is consolidating, they will actually have what's called a shakeout bar, where they try to get people to sell the stock right before institutions step in to buy the stock. And that's what we had here, was we had a shakeout bar. But what happened most notably is that the stock held support once again of its 50-day moving average, this green line right here. And then when the stock opened, it just rallied straight up, closing at the 81.35 level near its intraday high. So now the stock has firmly broken out above resistance. It's made an 11% gain today. Now, this horizontal line that you see here was formerly resistance. Now, what this means is that if the stock actually retraces and goes lower tomorrow, this prior level of resistance should now act as price support. This is one of the standard tenets of technical analysis, that a prior level of resistance always becomes the new support after the resistance is broken. So for those people that missed our breakout entry above this horizontal line from our May 19th review, a secondary entry point would be a pullback to this horizontal line, which could happen in tomorrow's trading session. As mentioned before, this type of setup is a breakout above consolidation. This is a very common type of play that we point out to our subscribers and our students at Dragon Charts. So if you'd like to learn more about how you can find these types of stocks that are about ready to break out above price consolidation and how you can profit from these moves, please visit dragoncharts.com and register to be notified for our next classes. We look forward to seeing you online again at our next stock of the day.